How to auto-save photos and videos on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's say whenever someone has sent you a photo or a video on Facebook Messenger, you really want it to be automatically be saved to your gallery. Now, in order for you to do that, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings on the upper corner as well. After that, you just have to scroll down until you locate photos and media right here. So just have to click on that and make sure that the save on capture is toggled on. So that this way, every photos and videos that you receive on your Facebook Messenger will automatically be downloaded or saved to your gallery. You don't have to manually save it, and it removes the hassle of it. So that's how to auto-save photos and videos on Facebook Messenger. Hope we help.